Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we always kind of wonder, how popular are these things that each company puts out there, and who gets the biggest, market share. And one of them, of course, is Copilot, AI from the AI from Microsoft, and one of the things that is coming out is that it does seem that even though Microsoft is kind of shoving Copilot everywhere, one of the latest options is that there would be a Copilot panel in File Explorer at some point, apparently. Well, the numbers that are coming out is that Copilot is used by only 1% of any AI service out there. It would be predictable that Chat GPT is the big winner, which is 64% of the market. It is to note that Copilot does use in the background Chat GPT as its workhorse. But here we do talk about, unique branding. What do you go to directly for any AI? And so ChatGPT is 64%. This is pretty darn the leader of AI. Even Google, which for a while we thought was losing the battle because it was kind of last to be out there, even Google, with its Gemini AI, is at 21%. And it's younger than Copilot, and it's basically just getting there now. There's the big push of Google behind it, of course. Google search and everything definitely helps out, but still, Microsoft, as big as it can be, has a Copilot use of 1%. So that shows you that Microsoft might be losing the battle, actually, of AI, even though they are investing heavily, even though they are kind of trying to be the trend, the first ones to talk AI, have AI everywhere. And I mean, Windows is a big market still, but nope, Copilot's just 1%. So, the number is 64% of AI use is ChatGPT, 21% Gemini, only 1% for Copilot. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.